Tuesday. I'm just running around to the post office. I've got 3 Vinted orders to collect. I think what I'm collecting is these like clogs that I had saved for so long, in this like amazing purple colour, and then this beautiful like hand knit wool argyle jumper and a skirt, of course. So yeah, let's collect and then I'll see you back in the studio. So just back in the studio, and I've got these bits. I realised I think the shoes were delivered to home, so I'll have to open them separately. Excuse my nails, by the way. I have not had time to paint them, but this looks so beautiful, and I could kind of tell in the Vinted thing. I'll put it here, that it was really high quality. And look at the detail on this. It's like it's either hand or screen printed and then embroidered on top of. When I look now, because the thread is the same colour, I'd say it was painted after the embroidery. I'm not sure if that's hand done or if that's machine done, but it is this beautiful skirt with a flared bottom. Absolutely gorgeous. It's actually nicer in person even than the photo. It's got a gorgeous little waistband on it, and it is 100% linen, which obviously is incredible quality, and that is the brand there. So maybe if I have anyone from France watching, maybe you know this brand and know that that's like a really high quality brand, or anyone in general actually, do you know that brand? Because yeah, this is amazing. It's lined as well, so it's, and yeah, it's just really beautifully made. It has a lovely lining as well, and yeah, I'm so excited to wear that over the summer. I'm even thinking wearing that with like little silver ballet pumps and have fun, like maybe a sock in the same color or something. Stunning piece, and if you like it, maybe hopefully you can find one on Vinted. Next is I presume the next thing is that lovely, what I think look like a hand knit wool argyle jumper. I will put the item here, but first impressions, this looks brilliant. Gorgeous wool. I don't actually think it's hand knit now that I see it, but I think it is high quality. And yeah, there it says 100% wool. Really pretty. Let's try it on actually. Okay, I love it. Let me take you down. I have you balanced on some sellotape, so I'll take you down. Yeah, really like this. Collar maybe doesn't go with it, but I can just tell that it is super high quality, and yeah, it's going to be lovely. Like, even would it go with the skirt? Maybe not. Okay, here I also just tried on the skirt, and it is so pretty. I love the skirt. I don't know if this, not really an outfit, but even the skirt with the little blue socks and my really old Asics. And yeah, the detail is just gorgeous. It's nearly like pleated. Or is it pleated? No, it's like I don't know how to explain it. It's like a flare at the bottom, but it's done in panels, I think. Yeah, so pretty. I thrifted this top, I think a year or two ago. It's by Selected Femme, I think. Kind of like a popcorn top, I think they're called, but it's really fun. And yeah, it goes with this outfit. Yeah, so really happy with those Vinted finds, and then I will show you later the shoes that I got, because they're so fun. But yeah, I am gonna jump back into my studio work. So next time you see me will probably be when we are opening the package for the shoes. Cool. Oh, okay, I'm just back. Yeah, I thought we'd quickly open while there's still some sunlight. I'm wearing my new jumper home. I love it. I love it so much. I think it's really cool. Okay, so these shoes, I actually already have a pair in an orange colour, and I was inspired by this photo here that I'll put here, and To be honest, I'm not normally inspired to like buy what influencers are wearing at all. But I don't know, there's something about these kind of clog mule shoes that I was just like, they're so cool. And I had them saved on my Karma. Do you know that app? It's like where you, or it's on it's on my laptop, but you like save things from all over the internet that you can kind of see if the price goes down. Anyway, I had it saved there, have them saved there for ages, and I never bought them. And then eventually I was like, I just really want them. I think they're going to be so cool for summer. And I found them like really well reduced. And then when we got Vinted, I was like, I wonder if I can find any on Vinted. And I had it like saved. So I found a pair, and these ones are purple. So let's have a look. So I think these shoes will be best for like summer outfits, but also for wearing around the house or the studio. They look so fun. So the brand is stellDilistovArutu, and I think they're actually a snow brand. Like they do these shoes, I think they're called the caribou shoe, that are basically like to kind of wear in the snow. And then they came out with this summer range of clogs, that's the brand there, in loads of really fun colors. And these literally, I don't think these have been worn. They're so fun. Try them on. Love, love, love. How fun are they? Like with a skirt in the summer. How fun are they? I love them so much. If you're thinking about size wise, I'm between a 4 and a 5. Like I always get a UK 4 for like a heel, and I'll always get a UK 5 for a trainer. I got these in a 5, which I was actually really worried about because I thought that they would be too big, but they're actually perfect. So yeah, I'd say if you're between sizes, maybe just go up rather than down. But I'm so excited for these. For styling in the summer, I'd say they're like so love-hate. I'd say some of you will think they're terrible, but I just think they're so fun. And I love like a bit of a platform as well. And they're pretty heavy duty, so really excited about them. Okay, I have to go because I have a call for Dublin Fashion Week, all that kind of stuff. So I will catch you. I'll do a little bit of filming at the market, maybe jump on again before the weekend. Good morning, it is Saturday, very early. I'm just having my coffee. I'm doing the market today, so I'm just finishing up my makeup before I leave. I'm just going to add my freckles with my freckle pen. Usually I'll just do a few and then I'll dab them, and I also like weight them differently, so some quite small ones, some heavier ones like that. Okay, that's freckles done. Right, now I'm just going to do my lips. I'm using, what is this? I think this is a Primark lip liner in Toast. And then my lip gloss. I love this so much. This is by, it's like Superdrug, like a kind of a lip oil. Sits really nice. Oh, yes, I have to leave now. The weather today is awful. It's really, really bad. It's been like raining pretty much for the past 2 days. I don't know if you know that kind of really like, it's not that it's like really, it's like misty rain, but it's, you'll get soaked in it. The market's indoors, so at least that's good, and hopefully it won't affect like people coming into town. But yeah, I need to like, I'll probably actually have to put like my hair fully up on the way in, because it'll just go so frizzy. Right, so we're gonna leave now, and I will catch you when I get to the market. This is Dublin most of the time. I'm just waiting on the bus. The weather is so bad, it's so rainy, but I think the bus is here pretty soon, and then we'll be inside for the day. Okay, so here is my space, so we're just going to set up everything on the rails now. Popcorn breakfast. Are you looking at yourself in the mirror? Look at yourself in the mirror. Hi. Good morning. It is Sunday, Easter Sunday, and we're just heading out on a walk. But I thought I'd show you my outfit because I put on something fun for today. I wanted to wear something a little bit yellow and festive for Easter, so I decided to wear my sister Jane dress. I don't know if you've seen this dress before. It's got like the kind of bow sleeves, but I just have it layered with an old jumper and this bomber that I got on Vinted, little neck scarf, have my APC bag, and also have my shocks on. Yeah, and we're just gonna go on a lovely walk and get a coffee and maybe a drink. Yeah, it's a very chill Sunday. Just happy it's not raining at this stage. Okay, I will catch you soon. Good morning. It is Monday. It's the day after the Easter weekend, so is this Easter Monday? It's like a bank holiday anyway. And I am gonna work from home today, but also I'm gonna just head out on a little walk while the weather still looks okay outside. We're gonna head out on a walk, and then I'll be back in, and I'm just gonna catch up with emails and kind of, I don't want to start the week like behind. So yeah, even though it is a bank holiday, I'm going to do a little bit of work today. But yeah, in the morning we're gonna head out and we're gonna go on a lovely walk along the coast, and we'll bring a coffee with us, which will be lovely, and then probably in for the day. These glasses are H&M, which are really fun. I love the kind of green tint on them. Jumper is thrifted Zara. Little neck scarf, I don't know where I got this, and I'm gonna just bring you inside and show you the rest of my outfit too. I just got my coffee as well, so I'm gonna have a little coffee before we go and bring more coffee out with me because I love coffee. But yeah, outfit for today, I'm kind of going with remember this skirt that I thrifted earlier and this as a combo. So let's see where I can show you. It's hard to know where to put the angle, but yeah, this is what I'm wearing. So that skirt that I thrifted, and then I've paired it with that Zara cardigan that I thrifted a good while ago, and then I just have a white layer. Recently I have found on Vinted like just like long, like this, just like a long white cotton long sleeve, and I find them so easy and brilliant for layering. So I've kind of built up a staple. I think I have a grey one, a black one and a white one, and it does make such a difference for just that piece to like go under and keep me warm because I'm cold all the time. I was thinking of wearing my new stellDilistos as well out, but it is quite cold, so I'm not sure if it's really warm enough. And then the fun glasses. Still don't know what I'm doing with my hair. I'm just letting it grow out, letting it have a healthy few months, and then when it comes to summer I'll decide like what to do long term. Anyway, yeah, that is the plan for today. Quick lovely walk, coffee, and then back in and do some work for the day. Okay, let's go. So I have my coffee, we're gonna head out, hoping it doesn't rain. Weather's a little bit off, but yeah, we'll see. I'll give you one more pet before I go. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, you have a lovely day. Enjoy your day. Bye bye. Bye bye. Really enjoyed that walk. That was so nice. And yeah, thanks so much for watching this week's video. If you enjoyed, it'd be great if you could subscribe. You can follow me as well on my TikTok and my Instagram here. Yeah, and hope to see you in the next one. Okay, bye.